Yeah, yeah. I step to the mic, hear the beat drop. Life in the rhythm, can't let it stop. From streets of concrete where dreams ignite. Spit fire like a dragon when I write through the night. Got words like bullets, loaded up my clip. Flow so slick, it could make a river slip. With every line crafted from heart and soul. I'm painting pictures while I take control. Rap game strong, can you feel that bass? Voices rising up in this lyrical chase. We tell our stories with beats that bang. In this world of rhymes where freedom sang. Hustle on my back but I never fold. Every struggle's gold when your passion's bold. From ciphers on corners to stages aglow. Feelings spill out like paint from a flow. Wordsmith wizardry hidden hard in the zone. Tales of ascension wrapped up in tone. Chasing down dreams that we used to envision. Rising as one with unbreakable precision. Rap game strong, can you feel that bass? Voices rising up in this lyrical chase. We tell our stories with beats that bang. In this world of rhymes where freedom sang. So let's turn it up and let them hear our voice. Each verse a choice, the people rejoice. A symphony echoed through city blocks. Living for today while they try to shock. This rap song flows straight from my heart. Unity within each lyric we impart. Together we rise like smoke in the air. One love for hip-hop, a truth that's rare. Yeah.